The number is minus 16, 2 power x plus 3 minus 2 power 2x minus 1 minus 16 and 2 power 2x minus 1 plus 16 are in AP, are in arithmetic progression. What is x equal to? Any term in arithmetic progression, this plus this is equal to 2 times this. So 2 times 2 power x plus 3 minus 2 power 2x minus 1 minus 16 equals minus 16 plus 2 power 2x minus 1 plus 16. Lovely. This worked rather well for us. So this is 2 power x plus 4 minus 2 power 2x minus 32 equals 2 power 2x minus 1, which is good. What am I going to do? This is 2 power 2x, this is 2 power 2x minus 1. I'm going to say rather nicely 2 power x equal to y. We should get a quadratic. This is 2 power x into 2 power 4. 2 power x is y. 2 power 4 is 16. 16y minus y square minus 32. This number is 2 power 2x by 2 is equal to y square by 2. Bring the minus y square this side. 16y minus 32 equal to 3 by 2 y square. So 32y minus 64 is 3y square. 3y square minus 32y plus 64 is equal to 0. We have to break this 32 into 2 parts to get the product 3 into 64. So 3 into 64, 6 into 32. This is 12 into 16, 24 into 8, 48 into 4, 96 into 2, we're not doing there. Some two of these numbers need to add 32. 24 into 8 works. 3y square minus 24y minus 8y plus 64 equal to 0. 3y into y minus 8 minus 8 into y minus 8 is 0. 3y minus 8 into y minus 8 is 0. Y is 8 or 8 by 3. Y is 2 power x. So we know that 2 power x is equal to 8 or 8 by 3. There are two possible values. Both should work. But they've asked us for they're saying x equal to what? I can obviously not say x is such that 2 power x is 8 by 3. X is such that 2 power x is 8 gives us x equal to 3. 3 works, we are through. 2 cube is 8, x is 3. In all of these questions, frame the arithmetic progression property first. Then, if you put 2 power x equal to y or k, then 2 power 2x becomes y square or k square. We generate a quadratic in y, solve that, and then come back to x. The key thing is to go from here to here by making this substitution. And we are through.